What happened to the rifles that vanished after the Battle of Blenheim? In 1704, one of the most decisive battles of the War of Spanish Succession took place, leading to a grand victory for the Grand Alliance. However, amidst the chaos and the aftermath, thousands of rifles seemingly disappeared without a trace. These weren't just any firearms, they were vital to the military strength of the era. Some speculate the rifles were seized by local looters, others suggest a secretive transfer to Allied forces. Despite extensive records, the fate of these weapons remains an unsolved historical puzzle. Could they have been hidden by the soldiers themselves, sold for profit, or lost in the fog of war? The mystery endures.